So your clock has a Jauch 77 inside, and it isn't working so well these days. Now you could try to get it repaired, but that's a temporary fix at best. Today we're going to show you how to replace your Jauch 77 with a 208 kit to keep your clock ticking accurately for years to come. The first step is to remove the weights, pendulum, and the hands. Then remove the back panel. This will allow you to unscrew the soundboard and remove the chime rods. Take out the screws around the edge of the mounting box, then place it with the movement and the dial face down on something soft. A blanket or a piece of foam would work great. Next, you're going to remove the dial pins. There are 3 of these, 2 located in the top corners of the movement and 1 down in the bottom middle. Remove the mounting screws at the bottom of the movement. This will allow you to take the movement off of the dial. Set your old dial aside, place your new dial face down on your soft surface. The mounting box will go on top. Take the new moon gear and install it on the center shaft of your new movement. Make sure to line up the moon gear with the gears on the back of the dial. This may take multiple attempts. Your new movement may have an ANSO post on the front. Be sure to remove this by using pliers to bend it down and away from the chime and strike levers. Bend the shutoff lever back. Take care to avoid bending it too far, otherwise it will catch on the chain gear and stop your clock. Now you can install the movement into the mounting box. Make sure to align the dial post to the movement. Once aligned, push the mounting box up and install the mounting screws and washers. You don't need to tighten these yet. Leave some wiggle room for aligning the dial later. Attach the dial pins. These don't need to be super tight, just fit them snugly into place. Now it's time to install the new complete mounting box back into the clock. You will most likely need to lift the mounting box assembly higher to align the dial. We used the provided wood blocks to hold the mounting box in place while screwing it into the new position. Once the movement and dial are aligned, remove the wood blocks and finger tighten the mounting screws. Let's install the new chimes. First, remove the old chime rods from the soundboard. Position your new chime rods onto the soundboard and mark the screw holes. A pen or pencil will work fine. Use these marks as guides for drilling new holes. Using the provided screws, attach the chime rods to the soundboard from the back. Once the rods are secure, it's time to reinstall the chime rod assembly. Adjust the hammers to the new chime rods. Now install the leader and hook the pendulum to it. Now it's time to assemble the weights. Simply insert the weight filling into the weight shell and place the caps on the ends. Secure the caps with the knob and weight hook. Hang the weights on the chains. Make sure you start by hanging the heaviest weight to the right. Once that's done, it's time to install the hands. Put the hour hand on first. You may need to synchronize the hands to the chimes. Pull the weights up, give the pendulum a swing, and reinstall the back panel. Just like that, your clock is running once more. Feel free to leave us any questions down in the comments below. The 208 conversion kit is available at emperorclock.com.